Introducing Nempal 140 Awning and Roofing Caulk, a classic sealant designed for practical, reliable sealing on less than ideal surfaces. Developed for everyday awning and roofing applications, it is suitable for sealing joints, gaps, and overlaps commonly found in installation and repair works. 4 reasons why Nempal 140 is the right choice. Reason 1. Works on imperfect surfaces. On existing buildings, surfaces are often dusty and unclean, uneven and porous, or even weak and flaky due to age and weathering. Metal surfaces may also be oxidized or slightly rusted over time. In real job site conditions, achieving perfectly clean and prepared surfaces is not always practical. Nempal 140 is formulated with an oil-based system that allows it to better wet and adapts to the surface, even when conditions are less than ideal. Instead of relying purely on surface bonding, it is able to penetrate and make contact with irregular, porous, or dusty surfaces. Conventional sealants, like silicone, depend heavily on clean, dry, and properly prepared surfaces to achieve good adhesion. Nempal 140 is designed for these real-world conditions, delivering reliable sealing where surface preparation is limited. Reason 2. Smooth and easy to apply. Nempal 140 features a smooth, non-granular texture, allowing for easy and consistent application. It flows evenly during gunning, making it easier to control and shape during tooling. This helps achieve a clean and uniform finish, even during quick installation or repair work. Reason 3. Non-sagging. Nempal 140 is formulated to be slump resistant, allowing it to stay in place even when applied on vertical surfaces or in thick beads. This provides better control during application, helping to maintain the intended shape without running or sagging. The result is a neater finish with less touch-up required on site. Reason 4. Skin forming, non-drying core. After application, Nempal 140 forms a protective skin on the surface while remaining non-drying inside. If slight movement disturbs the skin, the underlying material can be exposed and gradually form a new skin, helping maintain sealing continuity. Unlike fully cured sealants, such as silicone or PU, Nempal 140 adapts to surface irregularities, reducing the risk of separation and helping maintain a reliable seal over time.